Just like a gym bag that carries your yoga equipment, a yoga mat bag is designed to transport your yoga mat from home to the yoga studio. You heard it right, it serves as a carrier that puts an end to your fumbling with the mat all day when your yoga class is scheduled for later. Don't feel like carrying a strap-like satchel across your chest? Go for the tote mat bag. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 yoga mat bags on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Ensure Yoga Mat Bag. When someone says yoga mat bag, they're most likely referring to the one that looks just like this one by Ensure. The full zipper yoga mat carrier that's made from canvas is a true classic in the world of yoga mat bags, and it's popular among yogis for this exact reason. The 26 inches length combined with a 6.5 inches diameter makes it a versatile accessory. You can rest assured that your best yoga mat will fit into this bag if the mat's measurements align well with the bag's proportions. There's an adjustable shoulder strap you can make use of and a large front pocket that expands to accommodate your smartphone, keys, or a yoga belt/socks. Things we like. It's compatible with most yoga mats. The mat bag has several compartments for storing your valuables. There are over 20 patterns to choose from. Things we don't like. It doesn't like to be tossed about, which results in frayed edges. Number 2. Gayam Yoga Mat Bag. You can trust yoga essentials manufactured by Gayam. The company has been around for over 25 years now. Their full zip yoga mat bag is on par with the rest of their stuff. It allows you to keep your yoga mat clean and dry while also enabling you to use it for years to come. Coming in a typical full zip shape that stretches to 25 inches in length and 6 inches in diameter, this Gayam mat bag is spacious enough to fit your mat but not floppy enough to let your stuff freely dangle inside. The adjustable shoulder strap gives you the opportunity to customize the length according to your height. This means that everyone can get good use out of the bag without compromising comfort. Lastly, the 2 pockets on the outside allow you to bring your wallet, keys, and your music player with you whenever you head out for the class. Number 3. Aurori Yoga Mat. Aurori Yoga Mat Carrier is an all-in-one bag that can hold not only your yoga mat but also a 15.4-inch laptop, a book, and a towel. This comes in handy when you've got a class at 12 in the afternoon and a yoga practice 2 hours later. Essentially a backpack that features a separate section for your yoga mat, you can be confident in the pack's ability to fit your gym essentials and then some more. We're talking about the countless pockets spread all across the bag. There's a pocket for your water bottle, a pocket for your keys and wallet, and a pocket for your valuables. The wide, double reinforced strap can be easily extended over your shoulder or across your chest so that you can alternate between the 2 ways of wearing the bag. This means no exhaustion from carrying a heavy laptop along with the yoga mat all day long. Number 4. Gayam On-The-Go Yoga Mat Carrier. The beloved Gayam hit the mark again with their on-the-go yoga mat tote that does the job of transporting your yoga mat perfectly well. Designed to secure your mat with a simple snap of a magnet, it is that minimalistic accessory that aligns with every yogi's lifestyle with no exceptions. You'll notice that there are 0 unnecessary details that would weigh it down. This is the reason why the bag is super lightweight. Throw it in the trunk of your car or attach it to your bicycle's basket and you're good to go. Things we like. The magnetic snap makes it easy to get the mat in and out of the carrier. The bag features an internal strap for a secure fit. You can wash it in the washing machine without worrying about ruining it. Things we don't like. You can't fit anything else besides the mat in this bag. Can be too tight for thicker mats. Number 5. Skooba Design Hot Dog Yoga Roll Pack. Carried like a duffel bag, this hot dog Skooba Yoga Roll Pack is a real-life transformer that allows you to carry it in your hands and over your shoulder. If you're looking for a carrier that can store all of your yoga essentials and not weigh you down, Skooba is the one. The bag is built from tough polyester and nylon that doesn't require a lot of maintenance. A simple wipe down with a wet cloth will do the trick of keeping your bag looking and smelling fresh. You can place your mat in the middle of the pack and secure it with the built-in strap, stuff the pockets with valuables, and fit a water bottle in the drawstring pocket too. There's also a large compartment where you can keep your wrinkle-free yoga apparel that comes in handy when going to a yoga session straight after work. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.